Hey, welcome to Mesa. We're right here on Southern between Country Club and Alma School. I've affectionately started calling this the HoneyBaked deal. We've got a couple of awesome suites available. Actually, they don't look that awesome right now, but they're going to, because we're going to get them cleaned up and white boxed and make available for our prospective tenants some tenant improvement allowance. So whether you want to use that money towards your floors or a nice backlit channel sign like you see there at 1001 Nights, or your fixtures or your furniture, whatever it is that makes sense, we'll help you with that. We'll help you with a few months of free rent. A couple of the things that we're going to do right away is get this parking lot redone, and then we've got a new monument sign coming in. So you can see out there, we're going to get some more height out of it, bright panels, backlit. You'll be able to see your logo, your name on about 30,000 cars a day that are flying by. You'll notice behind me here, there's some nice new apartment buildings, about 350 units, Class A apartments, and so some good high earners in the area to come spend money at the retail suites. These will also make great office suites. 110 is currently combined with 109 here. That's about 4,000 square feet. You've got 108 here set up, former massage therapy or massage studio, 1,500 feet give or take there. So that's currently the smallest suite, but these larger ones can be demised and split up into some smaller configurations. 102 was a former hearing aid store, and so it's kind of built out like an office space now that can be opened up, probably will, cleaned up or chopped up into smaller suites. And then 103 and 104 in the corner there are combined as well. That's about 4,000 feet. We can show you that floor plan here in the graphics. And then HoneyBaked has been here for over 20 years. This is a seasonal store that they're talking about turning into a full-time year-round facility. So what's nice about that is it's probably going to drive some more foot traffic, make the shopping center very busy. Here's the second monument sign that you can see here at the property. So some great way to get your company name or your brand out there and exposed to over 30,000 cars a day that are going by here on Southern. Certainly nothing beats coming down here in person, but at least you've been able to virtually take a look at the place. What I'd encourage anybody to do is set an appointment with us, come see the suites, check out the property, get a feel for the area. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. I think you'll also like the fact that we are deal makers. We're working with tenants who are going to add value to the center, who are going to create foot traffic, who are going to be here for the long haul. When our tenants are doing well and our shopping center is full, we know that everyone's going to be able to pay rent, and that's what we want to have happen here. And we want you to be a wildly successful business owner at this location and be able to benefit from some of the synergies and the economies that are thriving here. So look forward to hearing from you. Don't hesitate to reach out. We can get an appointment or a tour scheduled for you. Or if you've got a leasing broker that you're working with, have them come down and meet with our leasing broker who represents the property and can bring you through the suites. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.